In this video, you'll learn how to use Base44 step by step. By the end of this guide, you will be familiar with navigating the platform and utilizing its features effectively. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Base44 website. You can do this by entering the URL in the address bar and pressing enter. Once the page loads, you should see the Base44 homepage with various options available. Next, locate the apps option on the home page. This is usually found in the main navigation menu. Click on apps to proceed to a new page that displays different applications available within Base44. After that, click on the integration section. This option is typically located on the apps page. Once selected, you will be directed to a page showcasing various integrations that can enhance your Base44 experience. Once this appears, look for the community option. Clicking on it will take you to a page where you can explore community-driven content, including applications and templates created by other users. Next, find the App Templates option and click on it. This will lead you to a curated collection of application templates that you can use or modify for your own projects. After reaching the App Templates page, you will see the option to explore a curated collection of applications built by the community. Click on this to view a range of innovative application designs. Now click on View Details for any template that interests you. This action will provide you with more information about the selected template, including its features and functionality. Following this, click on Apps again to return to the Apps section. This step is important to navigate back to the main area where you can choose. Next, click on the Home option. This will take you back to Base44 homepage where you can continue your exploration of available tools and features. Now, look for the prompt that says, "What will you build today?" and click on it. This will lead you to a section where you can start the process of creating your application. Once you reach the input field, click on Describe your app idea below or get inspired by our templates. This allows you to articulate your application concept or find inspiration from existing templates. Next, click on the Highlight option to emphasize key features of your app idea. This step is essential for showcasing what makes your application unique. After that, click on Ideas to get started for suggestions that can help you refine and develop your app concept further. Following this, click on Home Management. This option will guide you towards templates specifically designed for managing home-related tasks and inventories. Now, select Home Inventory Tracker. This template is ideal for users looking to manage their home inventory efficiently. Next, click on Explore Templates from the community to view additional resources and templates created by other users that may fit your needs. After that, click on View All Templates to see a comprehensive list of templates available within the community. Now, return to the App Templates page by clicking on View Details for any template that catches your interest. Once you have reviewed the details, consider using the template if it aligns with your project requirements. This can save you time in the development process. Next, click on Home to return to the main dashboard of Base44. This will allow you to navigate to other areas of the platform as needed. Now, click on Enter to proceed with the application setup or development process. This action is crucial for initiating the next steps in your. Finally, you will see a page indicating that Base44 is generating or building your idea. This confirms that your app is being created based on the specifications, and that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.